All right, I'm gonna do this. So this is gonna be a clone, but you're gonna see why this is gonna be a problem almost immediately. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. I need to turn off. That sound you're hearing is a CPU fan. That can't mean bad things, right? So we're gonna turn that off. I mean, it's still working, so that's something. But what I am gonna do... All right, let's get this off of here. What is going on here? Got it off. Pretty sure there's gonna be 500 gigs. Well, this is going to be a kind of a multi-step process. Methinks. Yeah, some old HPs do that. Not this one. This one here, nothing there's moving. It was just, there's this layer of, I think it might be concrete dust that's around this that was holding it in place. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to plug this in. We're going to try and run the cloning software. See if we can even get that far. If we can get that far, then we can get it cloned over. It's just gonna be loud. I wonder. Yeah, I already did the tap it a few times. So if I do this, it's not so bad. I need to turn you off. You need to get to the boot menu. There's a good chance I have this fan sitting here somewhere. I need to figure out something to put there. Because all I'm trying to do is slow it down just a little bit. That's better. I'll take that. Whatever I end up doing, I just got to see if this is going to load up. It does. This is MBR. This is going to be a rough clone. Unfortunately, with this computer, the SSD is sitting literally right here. So I can't get to it. Interesting. It's a terabyte. Also unexpected. I don't think I have any terabyte SSDs currently. Put some actual like double-sided, not double-sided tape, electrical tape there. I don't know why that thing keeps like every time I do this, it just lifts itself up. Yeah, it got bent at some point, so I had to bend it back. When the case goes on, it sits fine because there's a slot that it presses against this. I figure out what I'm going to do here because this ain't going to work, especially this hard drive being a terabyte. When I looked at it, I thought it said 500. Whatever it is, it's got to be a terabyte. Be a mini. Oh, I got a plan. Got a plan. It's gonna take forever, but yeah, I do have an idea for the fan too. I think I know what the problem is as far as the fan is concerned. One, busted. Two, if I take this thing apart, it's not going to go back together. I know that. But, alright, let's get all these screws out of here. And that's not even attached to anything. Attached to anything. Everything on this computer's seen better days, seeing as the hinge is literally being held in by the video connector. Doing sketchy stuff now. So, first things first, this has already been replaced once. I think maybe I can make this one work. Keep that one out, it's contender. This one's kind of a contender too, actually. That is... I think that's it. That's it. Right there. Let's get that put in there. Yeah, it is. That's what I was looking at. So it should plug in this way. Yeah, red, black, yellow. Got a few $100s worth of copper here. Worst case scenario. All this just to do a frickin' clone. Not iFixit kit on this one. Because the reason we need all this for a clone is because this cooling fan is dead. Like, just straight up dead. So I just need to swap this fan so that I can run the computer long enough and keep it cool. That is literally it. It's long enough to keep get the clone completed. HP's like, we need to design a new fan for this laptop. And the engineers are like, can we just copy one of our old ones? Yes, just make it look just enough different. For all I know, this one is dead too. Alright, now let's attempt to get this thing back together. Oh, it might help if I actively screwed this down. Yeah, I'm cloning this over to an SSD. Correct. I did not. Because this computer is going to live for another hour. You can see all the dust, dirt, detritus, and destruction that was inside this thing. Alright, right now that's all I need connected. And I want to put some screws for these corner hinges. Just to give them a little bit of reinforcement, if I can. Not that there's really anything left holding this left side together. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing there. Moment of truth. We got fan spin. And it's quiet. Alright, we got it cooling again. Now, this is going to be one of the most complex clones I've ever done. We're going to clone this hard drive to an SSD. Then we're going to take that SSD, put it back in this computer. We're going to take it from MBR to GPT. And then from that, we are then going to clone it to an NVMe to go into the new computer. That's what we're doing. No. The new computer is about 3 years or 4 years newer than this. So it's still significantly better shape and actively a better computer because we're going from an A6 to an A9. But we don't have to worry about it. It doesn't have RST whatsoever. So we don't need to even worry about anything. Clone. Migrate. So this is where we hope. Yeah, it's just a pain, yeah. I'm just gonna plug it into my actual rack here. And then do a check disk on it. Actually, I could probably boot from it. Come on, I gotta wait for this thing to finish whatever it's doing here. Phone canceled. Let's do a check disk on this Hitachi. I guess first things first, let me do a check disk on it. All right, we'll see what happens here. And then I will restart. I will restart and do the clone. Successfully repaired. Nice. That's step one. Okay, yeah, this is going to work. Back into the rack. I will pull the hard drive from that computer, or I'll pull the SSD, and then we'll clone it through that, because this thing just doesn't have the oomph to actually do this. It's working. Yep. This is the SSD. All right. So now we have a GPT ready image on this. So when I get the NVMe that's going to go on that motherboard, I can plug this into that, clone it straight over, call it a day. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.